Yo, what's going on out there? It's Ride Ranger Epic 4, and since it's National Baseball Card Day, I wanted to do a pack. So the first card in the pack is not that. The first card in the pack is a Bryce Harper. Pretty cool Bryce Harper right there. The second card in the pack is a Joey Votto.
Hey. How are you?
The third card is a Yuki Monicande. Then we got, a Chris Sales. That's a good card right there. Nice Chris Sales in his Red Sox uniform. Boston Red Sox. And the last card is a Paul Goldschmidt. So, let me just line them up so you can see the cards that I got. Some really good cards in here. So I hope you like this little short pack opening. That Chris Sale's really cool. I'm Ride Ranger Epic 4. Peace out, guys.